Guys, welcome to my channel. So first step, click to start, type device manager, then extract display, right click to update, and then close it. Then select the monitor, extract this, right click to update driver, and then close both. Then next method, set Windows power mode to best performance. Click to start, then setting, click to system, then power options, then power mode, and select best performance both. Okay, and then close it. Then click to start and type control panel, and then select the view by category large icon, scroll down, and you can see this power options. Okay, this is icons, and this is every system is there, so click on it, change, and select never only. Okay, and then click to change setting, then find out graphic, extract this balance maximum performance. Okay, and then apply, and then okay, and then close it. Then guys, last method, click on start, in search type cmd, just right click to run as administrator, then click on yes. So this is command, first copy and just control V and then hit enter. Now verifications start completed, so it will take some time. If it is stuck now, so you have to just hit enter, so it will start continue. Any percentage, like 60% is stuck, it's not continue, so just select here and then hit enter. So you can see first SFC scan, now it's completed. Then second one, so just copy and type and control V, after that hit enter, so no command is detected. Okay, now third, control V, ScanHealth, just hit enter, it will also start. Yeah, you can see when it is processing, and like you can see the running percentage, so do not click anywhere, you have to wait. So you can see it is completed 100%. Now last, restore health, copy, control V and hit enter, and this command I will give in the description, so you can copy paste from there. Guys, if you are doing some issue resolve, it is not resolving the issue, you can check the descriptions, we have a Google forms, you just fill out, my teams will contact you. Now this is the 100% completed and successfully option completed. Okay.